Hi, Tuna. Mommy following you? What you doing, Tuna? Should we show everybody what happens when we open the fridge? Tuna knows where the cheese is. Oh, let me in. I know where the cheese is. Come on, show everybody where the cheese is. Has it been too long since you've had a piece of cheese? Oh, you suck.
Hey, babe.
I know the cheese is in here. Oh. Maybe not. That's vegetables. Do we even have any cheese? Oh yeah, here it is. You gonna help me? I don't know if I can do this one-handed, Tuna. You gonna help me? Oh, haha, the hands of the nerd. Oh yeah. Oh, see,